aspirant and curator of 12th Maths concerning to CBSE board. Now I will start a new chapter, that is integration by substitution using some well-known trigonometrical identities. For the concept clearance in your mind, I would like to clarify the prominent trigonometrical identities. I will also distinguish the difference between equation and identities. You must have heard the equation either in one variable or in two variable. Equations always hold good for a definite value of variable, but identities hold good for every value of variable. So I want to give a clear synopsis of trigonometrical identities. ये तो वही है भाई, sin 2x is equal to 2 sin x cos x. Now I have stated here one prominent trigonometrical identity, sin 2x is equal to 2 sin x cos x, and other identity cos 2x is equal to cos square x minus sin square x, 2 cos square x minus 1 minus 2 sin square x. Here we see that cos 2x is equal to, in first stage, cos square x minus sin square x. In second stage, cos 2x will be equal to 2 cos square x minus 1, and in third step it will be equal to 1 minus 2 sin square x. I have already stated you that if a equation in one variable or two variable, 7x plus y is equal to suppose 14, this equation will hold good for a definite value of x and definite value of y. But what about the identities? This identity will hold good for each and every value of x. This will also hold good for each and every value of x. So here is the fundamental difference between equation and identity, that the identities hold good for every value of variable. I mean x or y, whatever may be. But in equation, either in one variable or in two variable, the equation hold good only for a definite value of one variable or another variable. Now sin 3x is equal to 3 sin x minus 4 sin qx cos 3x is equal to 4 cos qx minus 3 cos x. Some more trigonometrical identities like 2 cos A cos B in terms of AB is equal to cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. 2 sin A sin B is equal to cos A plus B minus cos A minus B. 2 sin A cos B is equal to sin A plus B plus sin A minus B, and 2 cos A sin B is equal to sin A plus B minus sin A minus B. Here, for your clear concept and good understanding of mathematical problem, we write here some prominent type of identities to give a clear concept in your mathematical mind. And after this, I will start the problem solving based upon the trigonometrical identities. Here, using trigonometrical identities, we will try to find out the integral sin square 2x plus 5 dx. Here we obviously see that we will utilize the identities of cos 2x, and cos 2x will be equal to 1 minus 2 sin square x. So, cos 2x is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square x, or 2 sin square x is equal to 1 minus cos 2x. This trigonometrical identity we will exercise to solve this integral we will use. Here, first of all, we will change the shape of this integral to sin square 2x plus 5 dx. Here, we utilize the benefit of this trigonometrical identities. Instead of x, we have written here 2x plus 5. This will be equal to 1 minus cos 2x, or 1 by 2 1 minus cos 2 times 2x plus 5 dx. If we bifurcate this integral into two integrals, this will be equal to 1 by 2 1 into dx means dx minus 1 by 2 cos 2x plus 5 dx. Integral of dx will be x. So, x by 2 minus half. We know the integral of cos x is equal to sin x. Hence, integral of cos 2x plus 5 will be equal to cos of 2x plus 5 divided by the derivative of this quantity. So, this will become sin 2x plus 5 divided by derivative of 2x plus 5 will be equal to 2 plus 3, and this is equal to x by 2 minus 1 by 2 or 2 1 by 4 sin 2x plus 5 plus 3. Well, this is all about the. Now we have overlook this 2. Either will be 2 or 2x plus 5 into this will be equal. Here we have overlooked 2, hence we must write here 2. So, integral will be half ds x by 2 minus 1 by 2 sin is 2 into 2x plus 5 upon the derivative of bracket 2 into 2x plus 5, 2 into 2. Here will be 1 by 4 into 2, 1 by 8 sin 2 into 2x plus 5 plus 3. This will be the integral. Then we will solve the question number 2, where integral I is equal to sin 3x cos 4x dx. I will try to transform this integral into standard form of trigonometrical identity. Hence, I will write here 1 by 2 into 2 sin 3x into cos 4x dx. Finally, we have discussed about trigonometrical identity that 2 sin x cos x is equal to sin a plus b plus sin a minus b. Hence, we will utilize the use of that very trigonometrical identity, and I will be equal to 2 sin 3x cos 4x dx will be equal to sin a plus b sin 3x plus 4x 3x plus 4x plus sin a minus b 4x minus 3x dx. Now we find out sin 3x plus 4x integral sin 7x dx, and this further will be 1 by 2 here sin x 4x minus 3x x sin x dx. It's very obvious. The integral of sin x will be equal to minus cos x. So integral of sin 7x will be equal to minus cos 7x divided by the derivative of 7x, I mean 7. Here further sin x means integral of sin x means cos x plus 3. Now we see 2 into 7 minus 14 minus 1 upon 14 cos 7x minus 1 by 2 cos x plus 3. Well, this is actually we have written here minus sin x, and this will be equal to minus by 2 and minus minus plus 1 by 2 cos x dx. As here I will try to solve the integral concerning question number 10. I is equal to 1 by 2 cos 2x into 2 cos 4x cos 6x dx. So 1 by 2 cos 2x. Here we use the trigonometrical identity 2 cos a cos b, 2 cos a cos b. Here instead of a we have written 4x, and instead of b we have written 6x. 2 cos a cos b means cos a plus b plus cos a minus b. This will be cos a plus b 4x plus 6x plus cos 4x minus 6x dx. Here we have the right cos 2x, 2x 4x plus 6x cos 10x plus cos 4x minus cos 6x means minus cos 2x cos minus theta is equal to cos plus theta, hence will become cos 2x dx. Again we will multiply by cos 2x in each term, and it will be equal to cos x into cos 10x plus cos 2x into cos 2x cos square 2x. So again we will reutilize the trigonometric identities. Here will 1 by 2 multiply both by 2 cos x cos 10x plus 2 cos square 2x dx. 1 by 4 इंटीग्रल ये 2 cos x cos 10x 2 cos a cos b means cos a plus b and cos a minus b. 2 cos x, here sorry we have written here 2x. So y cos 2x into cos 10x means cos 12x plus cos a minus b cos 8x, and here the another trigonometrical identities that cos 2x is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square x. In terms of cos x, we will utilize the trigonometrical identity cos 2x is equal to 2 cos square x minus 1 plus cos 2x. Here we will write 1 plus cos 2 into 2x cos 4x dx. 12x इतना dx plus 1 plus cos 4x dx. Here we will write 1 upon 4 cos 12x. Integral of cos 12x means sin 12x. Sin 12x, and what about the derivative of 12x? This will be 12 and cos 8x sin 8x upon 8 plus x cos x sin x upon 4 plus c. To integrate the question number 4, I is equal to integral sin cube 2x plus 1 dx. Here we can utilize either in general way, alternative method, or by the method of trigonometrical identities, whichever may be easier. I think it's very easy to solve this integral into alternative method. By alternative method, we write this sin square 2x plus 1 dx, 2x plus 1 into sin 2x plus 1 dx. Now we may write sin square a is equal to 1 minus cos square a. Hence, in this integral, we may write cos square 2x plus 1. Instead of writing sin square 2x plus 1, we will write 1 minus cos square 2x plus 1 into sin 2x plus 1 dx. Cos 2x plus 1 by former method, put cos 2x plus 1 is equal to t. Then the derivative of this will be minus sin 2x plus 1 dx will be equal to dt. And now if we observe in numerator we have here sin 2x plus 1 dx, then we may write here sin 2x plus 1 dx is equal to minus dt. Now I may write here 1 minus cos square 2x plus 1. We have substituted cos 2x plus 1 is equal to t. It means this will be 1 minus t square. 1 minus t square, this will be equal to minus dt. It will be very easy. Minus 1 dt minus plus t square dt. This will be equal to minus t plus t cube by 3 plus c, or minus t. Minus t means minus cos 2x plus 1 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3 t cube. T cube means cos 2x plus 1 cube plus c. We may write here in fresh way minus cos 2x plus 1 plus 1 by 3 cos cube 2x plus 1 plus c. Well, ready? We have overlooked this derivative. 2x plus 1 will be equal to minus 2 here, and dt by 2, and it will be equal to sorry 1 by 2 dt, this much, 1 by 2 into 3 plus c. This will be cos 2x by 2 and 1 by 3 into 2. This will become cos 2x plus 1 by 2, and this will be 1/6 हो जाएगा.